Hey guys, so I guess you figured out by now that I'm going to be out for at least another day. So I'm still at home, still waiting on my COVID test results, so I'm still quarantined. With that said, this is the video for January 12th and 13th, and let's walk through what I expect you to do. Inside Google Classroom, you'll see 4 activities numbered. The first activity is watch this video. Right now you're watching it, so great job. The second activity is a Google form, and we'll come back to it in just a minute. The third activity is a reflection. This is a major grade, so make sure that you do a good job on it. I'm going to open it up and walk through it with you. The first question on the reflection asks you to put a picture of your bridge. Now, these are examples for you from the angles that I want. The first picture I want is your side angle. That's straight on the side of your bridge. The second picture I want is the end view. So turn the bridge as if you were driving through it and take a picture of what you would see if you were driving through that bridge. And then the third picture is straight down at the top of your bridge. In order to get them nice and neat on the paper, what you'll do is delete this picture and delete the example. Come up to Picture, insert picture, come down to camera. When you click on this, it will let you take a picture with your computer's camera. You can hold the bridge up then in front of the computer, and it'll take a picture of it and automatically post it here in the Google form. I don't know who is going to be, which teacher is going to be there watching y'all, but you may ask the teacher if they'll allow you to use your camera. That's up to their discretion. If that's the case, then you would take a picture with your cell phone camera and email it to yourself, then open that email and put the attachment into this file. It's a perfectly good way of doing it, but I think it's a lot faster and a lot easier just to go up and use the insert image from camera option. All right, so once you have these 3 pictures, the side view, remember straight from the side, the end view like you're driving through it, or the top view looking straight down on it, you're going to move down to these questions that are about the criteria and constraint. All of these are yes, no, and you'll answer them by changing them to yes or changing them to no. So let me reset that real quick. So as you go through the criteria and the constraints, you'll notice these are the exact same main points. First, making sure that your bridge is the proper length, height, width, ensuring that your bridge is only made out of balsa and glue, that you have limited yourself to 15 sticks of wood. Let's be honest, none of us counted our sticks. I didn't count the sticks I used on mine as well, but let's go within reason. Do you feel that you used an appropriate amount, or do you feel that you used an excessive amount? And then the final one, when you look inside your bridge, is there a roadbed that a toy car could drive across? All right, so you'll answer those. Then you'll come down here and answer these 3 questions. This question asks, what is the greatest strength of your design? As you worked through the entire engineering process, what do you feel was the greatest strength? Is it something that you built, the way you planned, the way that you changed something, an edit that you made? Go through, describe it, give detail, support. You can even put a picture if you need to. Part 4, what was your greatest weakness? And then I want you to notice on part 5 that this is worth 50 points of a major grade. This is a big, big, big question, and I'm expecting you to probably spend 30 minutes on it. And the question asks you to list and explain several, big word there, several engineering skills that you learned as we did this project. Think all the way back to when we watched the video about bridges. We learned the bridge vocabulary. We used Bridge Designer to just learn to make a bridge that worked, then try to make it as cheap as we could. Then we did sketching out bridge ideas. We learned how to make different types of bridge joints. You built the sides of your bridge, and then you add the top and the bottom on. Throughout all of this process, this whole unit, what engineering skills did you learn explain them, give detail, give specific examples, and all of this together is your reflection. All right, so let's go back into Google Classroom now. As I said, you got 4 activities. The first one, watch this video. The second one, do the Google form. Inside the Google form, it's got a few simple questions for you. Last name, first name, did you watch this whole video? And then this question is, do you realize that the reflections due at the end of the period? And then do you understand that the last question is worth 50 points? And then the final part is what you can do once you finish early. When you finish this reflection early, if your bridge is not finished yet, you can go back and work on your bridge. If your bridge is finished, I want you to open up Bridge Designer on one of the classroom computers. That's the program we used earlier. And try to make a bridge that beats a classroom record. All right, so finish the form and submit it. All right, so final review. Here we go. Watch this video. Finish the Google form. Do your reflection, and then either finish building your bridge or use Bridge Designer to try to make a new and improved bridge. This is the last full day of class, guys, so use your time very wisely. I'm sorry that I can't be there, but definitely hoping to be there Friday with you, which is a C day. All right, take care of yourselves. Hope to see you very soon.